Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Slice 12 Oz mushrooms and cut 2 cups broccoli into florets to ensure even cooking. Cut 1 red bell pepper into 1/2-inch strips and pat vegetables dry to prevent steaming. Mince 3 cloves garlic and 1-inch fresh ginger finely so their flavor disperses quickly when added. Trim and have 8 Oz snap peas if desired. Keep ingredients grouped by cook time. Dense items like carrots or broccoli in one bowl. Quick items like mushrooms and bell pepper in another, ready to add in order. Heat a wok over high heat until smoking slightly, then add 3 tablespoons neutral oil and swirl to coat. This creates a good sear and prevents sticking. Add dense vegetables first and stir continuously, cooking 3 to 4 minutes until they brown at the edges but remain crisp. Push those to the side. Add mushrooms, bell pepper, and minced garlic and ginger, then toss constantly for 1 minute so aromatics soften without burning. Finish with a quick splash of water if pan gets too dry. Whisk 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, 1 tsp sugar, and 1 tsp cornstarch with 2 tablespoon water to make a quick glossy sauce. Pour the sauce into the hot wok and toss vegetables for 30 seconds until the sauce clings and slightly thickens, coating everything evenly. Turn off the heat, drizzle 1 tsp toasted sesame oil, and toss briefly to finish. Season to taste with salt or a pinch of red pepper flakes. Serve immediately over 1 cup cooked rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.